Scott, one of the concerns is obviously the money to handle a renovation or restoration. Are there financing options, or is that something that you discourage?
No, I think financing, these are big ticket purchases and people are used to, borrowing money to pay for cars and homes. This is going to be in that range in a lot of cases. So we actually have a financing program through a company called Service Finance, and it allows you to have 12 months of no interest and no payment loan. So for a lot of our customers, they'll have some money set aside for this, but it always helps sometimes to have some financing in place that they could use until the bonus that they're going to get comes through, or they have some money that they're expecting. The other thing that you can always look at, and this isn't something that we arrange, but bank financing is very favorable these days, and many homes have increased in value significantly. It may be time to look at doing a home loan, and I can even put you in contact with some mortgage companies to look at what it would cost to do some type of a home improvement loan or a home equity loan that would allow you to make the improvements to the home that you would like.
I can see how a lot of people would be adverse to borrowing money, or financing something like that. Having said that, the way the housing market is right now, and this being one of your best investments, what a great way to invest in yourself and your situation to improve the value of your home.
Well, I will say this: if you are going to finance something, finance an asset. That's something that can increase in price. So, your home's an asset, and home improvements are improvements to that asset. Typically, we're going to add value to your home. You don't normally lose the value of the improvements that you've made. In most real estate markets, you're going to increase the value of your house. Ultimately, it's not necessarily money spent. It's just money invested into the home that you'll get back out when you go to sell the home.